So the Beverley Building Society will offer 100% mortgages. We've offered 100% mortgages for some time. Where you've got bank of mum and dad in the background who are wanting to support that first time buyer getting on the property ladder, we will take effectively a virtual deposit in the way of securing a charge on the parents' equity in their residential property. So there's no requirement for parents to take out finance or take savings out of ISAs, investments, property, whatever that might be. Essentially, we just take that charge on the equity in the property that acts as the virtual deposit. So for credit scoring, we don't credit score, we don't have that restriction there. We will run a credit search on full application just to check that applicant's credit profile. However, we're not restricted by that particular score level. It's been said in the media that first-time buyers need to go and get credit cards or need to build up their credit profile with certain different facilities. For ourselves, that's not the case, and we have no requirement that first-time buyer needs to get credit. We're assessing them kind of as long as they're living within the means, as long as the income there, we're quite happy to assess that application. So minimum income, we don't have one. As long as there is income there to service that level of affordability, and we are lending 100% LTV, so we'd need to see that there is sufficient income to borrow up to that level. But however, that doesn't necessarily mean we have a minimum income. We just have a requirement to meet the particular affordability level. As you can see, Beverley Building Society around for 159 years, since 1866. So we're well established, and we've lent money to first-time buyers for all of that time. So a well established, well respected small business in a small market town in Yorkshire. First port of call, I would say, is always give us a ring. Give us a ring. Let's have a conversation. Let's discuss the clients that you've got on your desk. We always like to talk through these cases. We've got a direct number that comes through to the office, which we have a 97% answer rate. So we're always there to answer the calls. And we've got an intermediaries at email address. So that's intermediaries at beverleybs.co.uk. If you forward any inquiries into that inbox, that's monitored by all of our mortgage staff, and you'll never get missed if the inquiry is going into that inbox.